Week 11, you're now 11 weeks pregnant, and the baby continues to grow and continues to develop. So at week 11, the baby's about 2 inches long, and so it continues to get bigger and bigger. Detail is forming, so now on ultrasound, often you can see hands and feet, and the fingers and toes are starting to form at week 11. Now, week 11 is the time when, if you wanted to do first trimester screening, this is when you would consider doing it, somewhere week 11 or week 12. And that includes an ultrasound looking at the thickness of the neck called nuchal translucency, and also a blood test that can give you certain ideas about the odds of having an abnormal baby. It won't tell you for sure if there's a problem, but this is when you can tell if you have increased risk of a problem if you decide to do the first trimester screening. The first trimester screening is not for everybody, but some people do choose to do that. This is also the time when, for most people, you can hear the fetal heart tones in the office. Now, this is the dot tone, and this is what we use to listen to heart tones in the office. It looks like a little microphone, but it's really a pocket Doppler. So this is really a Doppler machine, and so it's not just a microphone in a box. Now what happens is we put a little goop on there, and we put this on your tummy, and then the machine is turned on, and you can hear the baby's heartbeat. And the nice thing is that they have these ones with microphones, so you can hear it as well as the doctor. Now, just a word to the wise, I do not recommend purchasing one of these. First of all, the ones that you'll find in baby stores for $25, $30 are not a Doppler at all. Those are really just microphones, and they don't work. So you're going to spend $25, $30, you get home all excited, and you won't be able to hear the baby's heartbeat. Now, if you're smart, you realize it's because you bought something that wasn't really the doctor's equipment. But some people get really scared because they think something's wrong. Nothing's wrong if that happens to you. It's just that the equipment's not the same. This piece of equipment is about $300, $400. So it's totally different than the little $25, $30 microphone they sell in the stores. You can rent these. I don't really recommend it. It's not very helpful, and it tends to cause more stress than good. But it is fun when you come to the doctor's office to be able to hear the baby's heartbeat on a little Doppler. So 11 weeks, 2 inches in length, fingers and toes starting to form, and you can start to hear the heartbeat almost for sure in the doctor's office now.